Hi, let me show you how to hide or unhide apps on iPhone. So for that, as a first step, find app you wanna hide. Let's say it would be Telegram. And now we need to press and hold it like that till we'll see this list of options from which we need to select Require Face ID. So with this way, you can lock app and lock and hide app. To hide this app, you need to select this second option, hide and require Face ID. Now scan your Face ID. You can also enter your password if Face ID cannot be scanned. Just like that. And now you will see this suggestion to hide this app. So for that, just hit blue button hide app and it would be gone from your home screen. So to find it and unhide, you need to swipe left till the end to find app library. Scroll a bit down and find this folder hidden. So please note that this feature is available only from iOS 18. Now to view content of this folder, tap on it once, scan your Face ID or enter passcode, and now you can use this app. To unhide, you need to tap on the folder again, press and hold the app, and then select Don't Require Face ID. After Face ID will be scanned, this app will appear in your app library, and if you want to bring it back to your home screen, then press and hold it and drag to your home screen again. So that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.